Hello everyone, this is my cat Alia and she is pregnant and approximately I think it's 50 days. Yeah, so she eats a lot but she is very fussy eater also. She only eats what she wants, not we give her. Her name is Alia. She's a female ginger cat. She's very loving, very cute. Okay, I will not disturb you. Eat. Oh, she make a mess. She did a mess. Alia, can you look here? Am I disturbing you? Okay. Let's leave her now. Let's her eat her food and then we'll catch up again. I show you her belly. Her nipples is grown big now. So I think approximately 10 days after she will give birth.